Well, hello, how you doing? It's Tom. I'm back. I guess I'm not insane. I got several very good suggestions on this radio trying to get the medium wave frequency um, increment. That's not the word I'm looking for. I gotta take those speech lessons. Oh my gosh. Anyway, to change from 9 kilohertz to 10 kilohertz so I can use it here in the United States. And I tried all those things, and I appreciate people leaving me those. And I noticed this morning there are some additional reviews on Amazon about this radio stating the exact same problem. So this radio does not work with the 10 kilohertz frequency steps for the US. It just doesn't work. Even though the manual tells you how to change it from 9 to 10, it doesn't work. My only guess is maybe they fixed something else that broke this and they didn't go back and check this. But anyway, besides that, it's a pretty good little radio. FM works fine. Shortwave even works pretty good. And I tried putting a memory card in. I think it's in there now. I can't see. Well, we'll try it. Okay, let's turn on. And we'll go to MP3. And it is playing. Very good sound. This is music from the YouTube free library, so it's okay to use it. And I can go up to the next selection. So the audio is very good. That one's kind of quiet. And my understanding, and we'll try it right now, is that I turn it off, and I turn it back on, it would go back to where it left off. That's nice. So if you're going to leave the room, you want to turn it off, save the battery, do that. Come back a couple hours later, push the on button, and pick up where you left off. So overall, this is not a bad radio except for that one little goof. I did get the function, which is similar to setting the bandwidth, to set the time and the date. I got that to work fine, so that works. So far, as I can recall, that AM or medium wave glitch is the only problem. So I think it's still a good buy. It's a nice little radio. Since it's so cheap, you don't have to worry about it leaving it somewhere or dropping it, or to go fishing or go boat riding, you don't have to worry about falling overboard. It's no big deal. And maybe they'll fix that problem. I doubt it. I just don't. And unfortunately, the 3 or 4 of us now that have left comments about this problem have not received any reply. So I think it's going to stay this way forever. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.